Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin, illustrated by Daniel Salmieri, performed by Mrs. Puterbaugh's and Mrs. Kuznizcci's classes.
Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They really love big gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell of the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey, Dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much?
Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Take a shell, fill it well. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know.
As much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunk salsa and the spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles, and when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy! If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese are all good. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Hey Dragon, how do you feel about spicy tacos toppings?
Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Take a shell, fill it well. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not You love the taco. Dragons love tacos, true or not. Peppers are nicey, but they're too spicy. Don't eat the salsa, it's too hot.
Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like big gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversion, maybe it's the dancing, maybe it's the conforming sound of a good friend's laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is a taco party. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos, pan loads of tacos.
Yeah.
The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boats with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey dragons, are you excited for the big taco party?
Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know. Take a shell, fill it well. Can you tell me how to make a taco? I do not know.
Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, they love the decorations, they especially love the tacos. Congratulations!
It's a good thing you got rid of those spicy. Wait a second. What are those green things in the salsa? You didn't read the print? Totally mild salsa. Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapenos, peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not gonna love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos.
Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe because they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco break. After all, dragons love tacos.
Thank you.